In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice for Waze navigation in 2026. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like you're setting it up right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and give it a moment to fully load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks ready. Once Waze is open, look up at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. That opens the main menu where all the options and settings are. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you control how Waze behaves, including sounds, navigation, and voice options. After the settings screen opens, scroll just a little until you see Voice and Sound, then tap on it. This section controls how Waze talks to you while you're driving, so this is exactly where we want to be. Once you're inside Voice and Sound, look for the option that says Current Voice and tap on that. Now you'll see a list of available navigation voices. Scroll through until you find the option that says Add a Voice. Go ahead and tap on Add a Voice. This is the feature that lets you create your own custom navigation voice using your actual voice. Once you tap Add a Voice, Waze will take you to the recording screen. Here you'll see a list of navigation instructions, things like turning left, turning right, continuing straight, and other common driving prompts. Next to each instruction, you'll see a red record button. This is where you start recording. Tap the red record button next to the instruction you want to record. When you tap it, Waze will prompt you to speak. Go ahead and say the instruction out loud in your own voice, just like you'd want to hear it while driving. When you're done speaking, stop the recording. You can usually listen back to it and decide if you like how it sounds. If you're not happy with the recording, that's totally fine. You can tap the record button again and re-record it as many times as you want. Take your time here, there's no rush, and you don't have to sound perfect. Just aim for something clear and easy to understand. Now move down the list and keep recording your voice for each instruction by tapping the red record button next to each one. You don't have to record everything in one sitting, you can do a few commands, take a break and come back later to finish the rest. Waze saves your progress as you go. The more instructions you record, the better your custom voice will work. If some commands aren't recorded, Waze may fall back to a default voice for those directions, so it's a good idea to record as many as you can for a complete experience. Once you've finished recording, you can simply back out of the screen. There's no save button you need to tap. Your custom voice is automatically saved and set as your navigation voice. The next time you start a route in Waze, you'll hear your own voice giving you directions. To test it out, go back to the main map, tap the search bar, enter a destination, and tap Go Now. As navigation starts, listen for the directions. You should hear the recordings you just made guiding you along the route. If you ever want to change or update your recordings, you can always come back to the same place. Just open the menu, go to Settings, tap Voice and Sound, open Current Voice, select your custom voice and re-record any instructions you want to improve. This feature is a fun way to personalize Waze, whether you want something familiar, funny, or just different from the standard voices. Some people even record messages for family members or kids, which can make long drives a lot more enjoyable. Keep in mind that voice navigation only plays when a route is active, so if you don't hear anything right away, make sure you've started navigation. Also make sure your phone's volume is turned up and not connected to another audio device unless that's what you want. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow. You open Waze, tap the menu, go to Settings, tap Voice and Sound, open Current Voice, tap Add a Voice and use the red record button to record your voice for each navigation instruction. And that's it. That's how you record your own voice for Waze navigation in 2026 on your iPhone. It only takes a few minutes to set up, but it adds a really personal touch to your driving experience every time you use Waze.